Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're making black-eyed peas with smoked neck bones. This is a very simple recipe. We have a pack of smoked neck bones, 1 whole onion, 1 pound bag of black-eyed peas, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I soaked my black-eyed peas for 1 hour, and I also cleaned my neck bones thoroughly. Set your Instant Pot onto saute to bring your water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add all of your ingredients. Add your lid and then set the vent to sealing. Now you're going to pressure cook for 45 minutes. Once the 45 minutes is over, let the steam out, and when the needle goes down, it's safe to open. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button.